This is a quick review of some cheap Chinese AI glasses that I just bought from Taobao for about $40 US, about 35 euros, and they're to replace my Meta AI glasses that I had for just over a year, and then they broke. I paid a few $100s for the Meta AI glasses, so I was a bit pissed off that they didn't last very long. I wasn't going to fork out that much money again, so I thought I'd try these cheap Chinese ones and see if they work as well. The main reason I got them is for the image capture. I do cycling, so I like to be able to capture still images and videos, and these have got the same function. And the main question is the image quality as good as with the Meta glasses? Short answer is no, it's not. It's not terrible, but it's not as good as the Meta AI glasses. You can see some samples at the end of this video. It's got the ordinary video camera there, and it's got a little light that comes on when you're recording, but you can block that with a piece of tape, unlike the Meta glasses. And you can either activate the images with pressing the button once for a photo or pressing it twice for a video, and then you click it again to stop. And the rear button there is for audio, where you can hold it down and it will activate the AI analysis, because it's got like an AI program in it with this American female voice that will answer questions. But again, the AI function is not great. It's not like Siri or something like that, or Meta. It gives you very vague, generic, very verbose answers to things, so I wouldn't buy it for the AI. The audio quality is okay, but not great. I wouldn't buy them for listening to music. It can also answer phone calls, and it works through this app here called Hey Cyan, which I found pretty easy to download. They've got both Android and Apple, and like you say, it's got the photo and recording things. It's got a few things there, but basically you go to the gallery and it will tell you you've got some photos to download or videos to download. The download speed is not great. The Wi-Fi connection can be a bit patchy. I had to restart it to get Wi-Fi download speeds of about 400, 500 kilobytes per second. The battery life again is not great, but like on the Meta, I think the Meta glasses have got about 15 to 20 minutes of recording. I think this will probably have 10. But overall, you know, they work, and if you just want to capture simple images, they're okay. I got them in this terrible white color. I wish I'd just got the plain black. And you also get interchangeable sets of lenses with this. You can get clear plastic lenses, some photochromatic ones, and I've put the sunglasses ones in. That's about it. Overall verdict, you get what you pay for. $40 for a pair of AI glasses with all the functions of the Meta glasses, but like I say, it's just pretty average, to say the least, kind of quality. But if you just want something that's simple capture of images and video, yeah, $40 could do worse.